Hello, I'm ISBA President John Thies. One of my goals this year is to call attention to the threat of inadequate funding on fair and impartial courts. Our efforts in this regard are being coordinated by a special committee chaired by Justice James Wexton and Judge Patricia Golden. This committee, focusing on state courts, is making steady progress. We'll be hearing more from them later in the year. The problem of inadequate court funding, however, is not limited to our state courts. As you may be aware, we now have a serious funding crisis facing our federal courts. For example, Chief Judge James Holderman of the Northern District has notified the bar that without congressional action in the very near term, we're headed towards sequestration, which would necessitate extreme measures. These measures would most certainly impact court schedules and services. Options in the Northern District include closing Chicago and Rockford federal courts 1 day a week for 9 months of next year, or for the entire month of February. A reduced court schedule would be disastrous for many of our members and the clients they serve. As such, I've spoken publicly to advance what must be a universal plea that the federal government take all necessary action to prevent a reduction in court services. I encourage all of our members to do the same, as the reduced services that are now being discussed would significantly impact the viability of this co-equal branch of government. Please take a few minutes to contact your elected representatives to encourage them to act. Please urge them to provide sufficient court funding and avoid sequestration. To help you do this, a link containing contact information is printed on your screen. Your voice matters. Please use it. I'm John Thies. Thanks for watching and see you next time.